So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2023 paper 1, which is from the organic chemistry part. And in this question what has been asked is, in the following reactions P, Q, R, S are the major products. So we have to tell the major products. So let us start this question. After evaluating P, Q, R, S, we can answer which options are correct. Let us start the first option, P. So how to do this reaction? First, the pH MgBr, which is a Grignard reagent, when react with this, then it will react with the cyanide and it will give this type of ketone. And after that again Grignard reagent is reacted in the presence of water. So what it will do, the partial negative will attack at this carbon and we will get this type of alcohol. So P should be like this. Now the other reaction, second reaction, PHH is reacting with the carbonyl chloride in the presence of anhydride AlCl3. So what it will do, there will be the acylation of the benzene and we will get this type of product. After that, when pH MgBr is reacted in the presence of water, we will get this type of alcohol Q. And in the third reaction, when this acyl chloride will react with this alkyl cadmium. So what it will do, it will behave as a same as the Grignard reagent, and it will attack at this carbon partial positive at this carbon, and we will get this type of compound. And when pH MgBr is reacting with in the presence of water, we will get this R type of compound. And then in the next reaction, aldehyde is reacting with the pH MgBr, we will get this type of product. And after that, when CrO3 in the presence of dilute H2SO4 reacted, we will get this type of reaction, which will oxidize this 2-degree alcohol to the ketone. And when HCN is reacted in the next step, it will react with the carbon, and we will get the hydroxyl cyanohydrin. And this cyanohydrin, when heated within the presence of H2SO4, there will be the dehydration, and we will get this type of alkene. So this will be the final S product. So these are all the P, Q, R, S, and on the basis of these reactions we can answer these options. Both P and Q have asymmetric carbons. If you see here, P have asymmetric carbon, but Q does not have asymmetric carbon. There is no asymmetric carbon. And in this Q and R have the asymmetric carbons. So Q does not have asymmetric carbon, but if you see R have asymmetric carbon. This is the asymmetric carbon. So that's why R is asymmetric, but Q does not have. That's why A and B both are incorrect. But in the C option, P and R have the asymmetric carbons. This is the correct. P and R both have the asymmetric carbons. P has asymmetric carbons. S does not have any asymmetric carbon. So P has asymmetric carbon. That is the correct statement. And S does not have any asymmetric carbons. If you see here, S does not have any asymmetric carbon. This is the correct statement. That's why the B, C and D both are the correct options. Thank you so much for listening.